This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Caskey. Nice rancher at the end of the cul-de-sac in Ocean Lakes. Vinyl in great condition, newer roof has been upgraded. Upgraded gourmet gas stove. This model has the extra room behind the kitchen which leads to the sliding glass door and the large yard that expands along the back left with trails and nice landscaping. This model has the large 2-car garage. Freshly cleaned. All the tile has been polished by a professional. So close to shopping that has transformed the area, multiple bases and multiple beaches. For more information, review the details below.